Hello friends, good morning to everyone. Today is Sunday, so we plan to go for trekking, a small trekking to Karnala Fort. That is 60 kilometers away from Mumbai city and 10 kilometers from Panvel city. It is situated on the Konkan coast. So the travel time takes about 1.5 hours from here to from Mumbai Central to Karnala. So let us get started, guys. Okay. So our hero Lakshman is all set ready to go for trekking. So we are going by car. So Lakshman is preparing the car.
Hi.
And hi Lakshman. Lakshman, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. Let's get started. Actually, we reached our destination. So now the time is 10 a.m. in the morning. So we are at Karnala Fort. So actually, we reached the entrance. From here, we have to walk around 2 kilometers uh, to reach the top of the Karnala Fort. And here is the Lakshman. So actually, we got pissed off because we missed the way, and we traveled extra 30 kilometers because Google Map had showed us the wrong route, and it took around extra 2 hours to reach here. So okay, so we will start the journey, and we will take you to the journey through the Karnala Fort. Okay. Hello guys, we are like Rahul had joined us. Hello Rahul.
फुलं रात्री जास्त घेऊ नको
Lakshman is
असं
here.
होतं सकाळी.
So initially we entered into Karnala Birdlife Sanctuary, and from there we are climbing to Karnala Fort. So it is not that difficult, but
This is for
but it's quite okay.
I have lost my cardiac reserve.
Now our champion Lakshman started climbing. Hello Lakshman, how do you feel today?
Hello.
Cool?
Excellent.
Okay, you look very energetic. Oh. Okay, from there you say hi. Lakshman, from there you say hi.
Hi.
Go, cool. So actually we came half a distance. It's a bit difficult, not very difficult, but bit difficult since our last trek was 1 year back. So still it is okay. So this is a beautiful view of Western Ghats, a very greenic and scenic view. And at the distance you can see the Mumbai Goa highway. I hope you can see it. I will zoom for you guys. Yeah. So here you can see the you can see the Mumbai Goa highway. It's a very scenic view. Yeah, this is also one of the very beautiful view of the Mumbai Goa highway. So you can see the buildings over there downstairs. So we are approximately about 1,000 feet. Oh Rahul, Lakshman. Oh Lakshman. Okay. Hello guys, finally we are about to reach our destination, that is Karnala Fort. The Karnala Fort is right behind me. You can see it's right behind me. It's quite far, but we are about to reach that fort. So behind here is Lakshman going to the fort, and here is also a scenic view to the Western Ghats.
चढशील का बाळा
ये ना ये है ना ओए ये है ना डेट में
This is also one of the another beautiful scene of Western Ghats from Karnala Fort. Everywhere it is greenery and the pleasant weather and the ambience makes us to feel very great. And Lakshman is a natural lover. He is he is watching birds and nature. So how did you feel, Lakshman? So how is the trick, Rahul? Good. Rahul is a regular tricker, so for him it is a very easy trick. Okay. So again we have to climb the forts. It will take another half an hour. So finally we reached our destination, that is Karnala Fort. So this is the remains of the Karnala Fort. So you can see the pinnacle over here. Yes, and downstairs the scenic view of Western Ghats. So actually this Karnala fort was built by Devagiri Yadavas in 13th century, and it was conquered by Gujarati Sultanate, and from Gujarati Sultanate it was conquered by Aurangabad Sultanate, and from Aurangabad Sultanate it was conquered by Shivaji Maharaj, and from Shivaji Maharaj it was conquered by Aurangzeb, and after Aurangzeb it was acquired by British Empire. So this is the history of Karnala Fort. So you can see the entire view of Karnala Fort here. So after heavy trekking, Lakshman and Rahul is relaxing, and they are getting a fine breeze over here, right? And enjoying the scenic view of Western Ghats and Mumbai-Goa highway. So this is a beautiful view of Mumbai-Goa highway, and down here is a dense forest full of green trees. Yes, this is a green trees. So Lakshman is busy in photographing and videographing. Lakshman, say one hi. Okay, Rahul.
Hi. Scary.
Scary? Why? Oh, it's too much height over here. Oh.
आउटलेट है यस ए ना 50% ऑफ
Okay, so right now we are relaxing for some time. So we plan to get some pleasant breeze over here and take some rest, and we will start to descend downstairs. So it was a very pleasant weather over here. So you can see Lakshman and Rahul. They're also relaxing. So after a while we start to descend. So it is a very good trekking experience today. So I advise all of you to do some kind of trekking, not a difficult trekking, but easy trekking to keep your body fit. So we started to descending down to downstairs because it is already 2 o'clock. Anyway, it will take 1 hour to descend down. So the Rahul and Lakshman already they're descending down. So this is the entire view you can see. It's a beautiful view. So behind me is it is a pinnacle.